don't think I was recording that whole time. Do you hear the sirens? Ooh, that's the firemen and the policeman. Oh. Hello? Do you see your tree outside? What are you staring at? Hi. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hi. Zombie Hannah. Zombie Hannah. Baby. Baby. Zombie. Baby. She's hungry. What should we feed her? Colin, what should we feed Hannah? What should we feed Hannah for lunch? What should we feed her? Well, I say it's way past lunchtime. What should we feed her? Should we feed her yogurt? Should we feed her some yogurt?